we are going to see what happened in today's market. So we'll start with EOD. Okay, so on the positive side we have 2%, 1% and 0.7% up for Tata Steel, Tata Consumer and Hindalco. Some good news for Tata. And then on the negative side we have Techem, IndusInd Bank and Infi. Okay, now we'll go to pre-open to check what happened between 9 to 9.7. So you could clearly see 9 to 9.7 market was pretty stable. Okay, so it was a small flat open. Let's check for Bank Nifty as well. Here Bank Nifty is small gap up, also called as flat, and when you check all, so almost 1374 were positive. So market is in uptrend. Now we'll check the FII data of where to they are adding their positions. So yesterday we are adding more positions in the sell side for the futures. Now today we'll see what happens, what's happening. Let me just refresh it. My internet is a little bit troublesome, so we'll see. Okay, so here you go. So this is the FII data. This is the futures we are going to check. So you could clearly see they are adding more positions in the sell side. So that means they are bearish. And also the ratio between buy and sell is huge. When you check put and call. So here it is the resistance and here it is the support. And then you could see here massive difference is there because today it was bearish market. So yeah, also today expiry, so tomorrow we can see more changes here. Now we'll take some news and we'll see what is there in 18th. Okay, so 18th you could see results, bonus and dividends. So a lot of Tech Bank is also there and Reliance Industry is also there. Okay, so tomorrow Reliance has big news, so Nifty might go up if Reliance has the good news. Sorry, bad internet is like such a headache. Okay, so this is economic calendar. Tomorrow 18th we have USA news, nothing much of more importance. Okay, now I'll straight away go to the OI. So we have to compare both the OI here. Okay, so regarding the OI, I just want to explain you something. So this is called as the clear cut profit booking because see the value is going down here. So in price action, the important part is in call if you do buy or in put if you do write, these both clearly says that market is going to go up, so they act as support. Okay, now in price action if you say put buy or call write, this means market is going to go down, so this is actually going to act as resistance. Okay, so this is just the basics of option selling. So every month when you are writer, you have to check in basis of 1 month analysis. That's why in the stocks you see 1 month it takes for the futures to decay, or the options also it is 1 month calculation. So in 1 year you only get to backtest the 12 months, out of which you'll have 3 months uptrend, 3 months downtrend and 3 months sideways and like that. Okay, so it is highly important that how much ever backtesting you do for option selling, it is crucial to understand this basics. Okay, so call writing, put buying, put writing and call buying. Okay, so all this is going to subtly reflect on the OI. Okay, so with experience only you can know this. I think I'm pretty much clear with this. So here is the profit booking because we have the expiry today. Okay, So when you check this OI, this is basically from the seller's point of view. You have to check, because the market, the bigger positions, the FYI actually are huge sellers. Okay, now we will move on to Bank Nifty. Sorry, next expiry. Just to check how the build-up has happened. And then here you could see clearly it is going up at the end. This means build-up. So they are adding positions both input side as well as call side. Okay, so here also at the end you could see prices are going up. So for today's expiry, they are doing the profit booking, so the OI is going down. But next expiry, they are not doing the profit booking, they are doing the build up, so the OI is going up. So this is a classic example from which you can learn. Next we have Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, since it has a monthly expiry, you can almost see this as very flat. Flat means they are equally doing the building up. Okay, so this is going to tell about today's range, and this is going to tell about the overall or the total range. Okay, so overall total range is important, because that's how we see how sellers have been positioned in the market. I'll see the close range as well, because I just missed in my last video due to the internet problem. So we'll check for Nifty first. So you see here all the profit booking you can observe here. Okay, because it's an expiry. Now let me show you an example for build up. Okay, we'll go to next. So you see everything is building up here. So they have added positions here, completely adding their positions. That means for the next expiry it is a build up, for today's expiry it is a profit booking. Okay, simply you can remember like that. Go and check for Bank Nifty. So again, when you are writers, you have to do a lot of backtesting, because for buyers only levels are important, but for sellers you have to check for OI, like where the OI is actually getting built up. OI is going to give you bigger cues. So 126 and 156. So slightly resistance is building up in the Bank Nifty. Okay, now we'll go to check the straddle. We'll do the price action comparison here. So Nifty open was 200. So you could see it is a no loss, no profit zone. So open was here 89, close was there 87, just 2 points decay here. So it's a no loss, no profit zone for sellers, but also for buyers it was not a bigger profitable zone for long straddles or any buying strategies. Let's take Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty open was 200, so I have to improve the count to 57 200. So you see it was a loss making trade.